here, and welcome to my channel. Let's go on an adventure together today. Whoa, where are we, friends? I see pumpkins. Oh, and there's a sign. Yeah, we're at Larry's Produce in Fairfield, California. I see pumpkins everywhere. Let's do this. Whoa, look at this. Do you know what this is? Friends, this is a wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Hey, what's the sound you hear at the beginning of wheelbarrow? Yeah, I hear it too. That's the letter W. W says wah for wheelbarrow. Let's go have some fun. Look at all these pumpkins. Wow. Oh, look at this guy right here. Whoa, he's so heavy. Whoa, I love the color. Take a look. Yeah, let's put him in the wheelbarrow. There's one pumpkin. Oh, look at these. How interesting. That's kind of a different shape. Look at that. Cool. That's two pumpkins. Oh, what about this one over here? Yeah. Oh, I like the color of this. It's white. Have you ever seen a white pumpkin before? Huh. Neat. All right, let's keep going on our pumpkin adventure. There's even more pumpkins! Whoa! Look at all of these! I want to get in front of them. Wow! There's so many pumpkins to choose from! Look at this one! That kind of looks like an oval shape. And this one over here, well, he looks more round, like a circle. But look at this! Come closer, friends. Can you see what I am touching over here? So I'm sitting on the first pumpkin. Whoa! This is so cool. A big giant pumpkin. Can you say pumpkin? Pumpkin. Yeah. And pumpkin begins with the letter P. Pumpkin. Woo! And this is the biggest pumpkin I've ever seen. Woo! Whoa. There are so many pumpkins. Come on, let's go see what else we can find. Whoa! Friends, take a look. Wow! Have you ever seen a pumpkin as big as this one? This is one giant pumpkin. Hey, do you guys like opposites? Do you know what an opposite is? Hold on, I've got something for you. What do you see? A pumpkin, right? But he's small. And take a look at the one he's standing by. He's big. They're opposites. One is small and one is big. We made it over here to this section of the pumpkin patch adventure. Look at all these brilliant colors of these pumpkins. This one is orange. Look at that beauty. Oh, but let's go to this other pumpkin. Whoa! What color is that, friends? I can't hear you. Say it a little louder. That's right. This one is green. Cool. Ooh, and look at this big pumpkin. What color is this pumpkin? Yeah, let me hear you a little louder. It's yellow. That's right. A yellow pumpkin as well. So we have an orange, green, and a yellow pumpkin. Cool. Whoa, look at all these. This one, get a little closer, has multiple colors. Multiple, that means more than one. Whoa, that's cool. He's kind of striped. Like a tiger. Look at this one. He's white and he's kind of squashy. Look at how he's squished down. That's cool. There's so many different shapes. Oh, look at that one. He's got some fun little things growing on him. Oh, and these. That's so cute. I like that shape of a pumpkin. That's kind of fun. I guess some of these are gourds and pumpkins, but how cool. I've never seen so many. Have you? Come on this way. Woo! Wow, well, we've made it over here. We've got hay bales and corn kernels. Woo, that looks like fun. Hey, wait a second. I think we can go inside here. Let's do it. Come on. Whoa, gotta step up on here. And you come around this way. Hold on. Are you ready? Let's jump on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Woo! I'm in all the corn kernels. Whee! Hey, I'm on hay. On. What's the opposite of on? That's right. It's off. I'm off the hay. Good job, friends. Hey, let's find some more opposites. Oh, I think I found one. Come a little closer. Look at these pumpkins. Wow. They don't look the same. They definitely have a different shape about them. I guess they're both orange, so that's how they're alike. But they're very different in size. One is thin and the other is fat. Hey, do you like to play games? Okay, cool. Well, when I hold my hand over the fat pumpkin, tell me to stop. That's right. Did you tell me to stop? That is the fat pumpkin. Oh, you would be a good-looking pumpkin on my porch this year. I've been having so much fun here at the pumpkin patch. I hope you have too. It's been a great day talking about pumpkins and learning about pumpkins. And you know what? Pumpkins come in all different shapes and all different sizes. Just like you and me. Just like we all do. There's different types of gourds, different shapes of pumpkins. There's orange ones and white ones, big and small. They're all different, yet they're still a pumpkin. They're still the same. And you know what? They've all come from something very, very small. Take a look. They've all come from a pumpkin seed. Take a look at that seed. It's pretty small. You know what? Sometimes I feel small. In this giant world around us, there's so much to see and discover, but sometimes I can feel kind of small. Do you ever feel small? Like this little pumpkin seed? Well, remember, if you feel small, just like this pumpkin seed, you have purpose. You're a VIP. That means you're valued, important, and you have purpose. Just like this seed's purpose was to grow up into a beautiful pumpkin, you have purpose too. You're a masterpiece. I've got an idea. Let's plant this seed together. And so next year, we'll have a pumpkin of our own. Plop it in the soil. There we go. And let me get my work gloves on so we can really get that seed in there. When it gets buried in the soil and you add a little water and sunlight, it'll be ready for harvest next year. Let's give it some water. Wow. The right soil, the right seed, and the right sun. This is going to grow into a magnificent pumpkin. Can't wait for next year. Bye, friends. Hi, Rainey the Rainbow Princess here. Subscribe to my channel now.